If you need to cut out a part of your video after uploading, here's how you can trim videos in YouTube Studio so you don't have to re-upload your content. For that, you have to open studio.youtube.com onto the browser in which you have your channel logged in, and then you have to tap on content from the left menu and find the video you want to trim and click on pencil icon, which is basically stand for details. So then you can enter the editor. You have to scroll down and click editor from the left side menu and then trim the video. In the timeline below you will see trim and cut. You have to click it and use the blue bars to select the parts you want to keep, or click split to cut a specific section out. YouTube will process these things and this might take a few minutes or hours or even maybe a day depending on your video length. And that's it. Your trimmed video is now live without needing to upload it all over again. And if this helped, make sure to like, subscribe and tap on the bell icon for more YouTube videos like that.